It was another typical morning for Bella, waking up early to get ready for school. The morning sun cast a warm, golden glow over her cluttered room. Bella was a cheerful girl, full of energy, always eager to learn. But there was one thing that made her nervous every Monday: physical education class. Bella always felt uncomfortable during PE, especially when she had to run in front of so many people. Today, she faced a completely new challenge: a volleyball match between classes. Stepping onto the court, Bella felt her heart pounding in her chest. Not far from her, there was a new student introduced as Ryan. Ryan was the new kid known for his good looks and his skills in various sports. Ryan was an excellent volleyball player, and Bella couldn't take her eyes off him. Every time the volleyball was thrown to him, Ryan caught it with confidence, sending it to his teammates with graceful movements. Bella felt awkward and shy in his presence. She often fumbled and missed her throws. However, something unexpected happened during the game. When the ball came towards Bella, she slipped and nearly fell. In an instant, Ryan ran to her and caught her before she actually hit the ground. A sweet smile spread across his face, making Bella feel like there were butterflies in her stomach. "Don't worry, are you okay?" Ryan asked in a gentle voice. Bella nodded shyly, and from that moment on, they started to chat. Ryan was not only skilled in sports, but also very friendly and attentive. They began talking more during breaks, and Bella felt very comfortable around him. Ryan became her new best friend, and unbeknownst to her, feelings beyond friendship started to grow in Bella's heart. Time passed, and day by day they grew closer. Bella learned a lot from Ryan, not just about sports, but also about being confident and accepting herself as she was. Ryan was the motivation Bella needed to feel better about herself. One day, while walking home from school with Ryan, Bella felt a fluttering in her chest. Ryan smiled gently and suddenly stopped in front of an ice cream shop. "Hey, want some ice cream?" he offered. Bella nodded, unable to hide her smile. They sat on a bench in the park and enjoyed their ice cream while talking about many things: their dreams, aspirations, and of course, first love. It was then that Bella realized that maybe Ryan was more than just a friend. Maybe the feelings that were starting to grow within her were her first love, a love she would never forget. Ryan's smile was the most calming and reassuring thing for Bella amidst the challenges of teenage life. And one bright day, Ryan spoke softly. "Bella, I'm glad we're friends. I don't know what the future holds, but I want us to stay close forever." Bella only smiled and nodded, her heart filled with the same hope. Although there were no guarantees that this first love would end in happily ever after, Bella knew that her high school first love was the start of a journey she would always remember.